In this YouTube video, we'll outline a perfect day on board a cruise after returning from an early morning tour of Phuket, Thailand. With a well-planned itinerary, we'll ensure that your day is anything but boring. From late morning brunch and relaxation time to cultural workshops, entertainment shows, and a memorable dining experience, we'll guide you through a day filled with excitement, relaxation, and unforgettable moments. So sit back, relax, and join us as we embark on a journey to make the most of your time at sea. Taking some time to rest in your room or admire the scenery from your balcony while the cruise is still docked in Phuket is a fantastic idea. Next, it's time to indulge in a late lunch on board the cruise. However, please note that this meal is not included in the package as the complimentary lunch offer has concluded. Therefore, this lunch will be a paid option. After your satisfying late lunch, why not head over to the central stage area to catch some captivating performances? The central stage is the heart of entertainment on board, featuring a diverse array of shows and acts to delight passengers of all ages. From live music and dance performances to comedy routines and theatrical productions, there's something for everyone to enjoy. So, grab a seat, sit back, and immerse yourself in the talent and creativity on display. It's the perfect way to spend a leisurely afternoon before the evening festivities begin.
1, 2, 3, drum!
Let's talk about one of the classic cruise activities, bingo. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the game, bingo on the cruise is always a lively and fun-filled event. Picture this, you grab your bingo card and marker, feeling the excitement build as you join fellow passengers in the ship's designated bingo hall. The atmosphere is buzzing with anticipation as the friendly cruise staff prepares to call out the numbers. As the game progresses, tension mounts with each call, and you eagerly scan your card, hoping to be the first to shout bingo. There's a sense of camaraderie among players as you all share in the thrill of the game. But bingo on the cruise is more than just a chance to win prizes, though that's definitely a bonus. It's also a social experience, providing an opportunity to connect with fellow passengers, share stories, and make new friends. Whether you're traveling solo, with a partner, or as part of a group, bingo brings people together in a spirit of fun and excitement. And let's not forget the adrenaline rush of nearing that winning pattern or the exhilaration of shouting bingo when you finally achieve it. It's a moment of triumph that's sure to bring a smile to your face and a sense of accomplishment. So, whether you're a bingo enthusiast or just looking for a good time, don't miss out on the chance to join in the excitement of bingo on your cruise. It's a time-honored tradition that adds an extra dose of fun to your onboard experience. Watching the entire bingo game unfold is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the excitement and suspense of the event. From the initial anticipation as the numbers are called to the final moments when someone shouts bingo and claims the prize, every moment is filled with energy and anticipation. As you stay until the end of the game, you'll have the chance to witness the ups and downs of gameplay, the friendly competition among participants, and the joy of those who emerge victorious. Plus, staying until the end ensures that you don't miss out on any of the action or potential surprises that may arise throughout the game. Once the last number is called and the winner declared, you'll be ready to head to dinner with a sense of satisfaction and perhaps even a bit of excitement lingering from the game. It's a memorable way to spend your time on board, and who knows, you might even be inspired to join in the fun and play a round or two yourself in the future.
We have G58. 58. Next number we have 06969, our bingo selector's favorite number. Next number we have B15, 15. B15, who will take home the 135 Singapore dollars. 100 only, 35 for your bingo selector. No, everything is for you. Next number, we have I-28, 2 and 8, 28. Next number, we have Jim, 56, 5 and 6, 56. And to be followed by the next number, we have B14, advance Happy Valentine's Day. Because if you are with your loved ones, every day is a Valentine's Day. Yes. Next number, we have 071. 71. Next number, we have N40. No bingo? Still mango? Did you grab your mango at tail end this afternoon? I grabbed watermelon. That's why it's like I'm coughing right now. Next number, we have N39. 39. Next number, we have N35. 35. Grab your coffee. Don't hesitate to grab your coffee at the lobby cafes. We have also pizza over there. Next number, we have N31. 31. And to be followed by the next number, we have 62. 62. Bingo selector, can I have the next number? We have G47. Under G is 47. And to be followed by the next number, we have 75. 7 and 5. Next number, we have G53. 5 and 3. Alright, I saw that they're tearing their ticket. Don't tear your ticket. Can we double check the bingo cards? Like I said, don't tear your ticket because later on, if we have already the winner, we will verify your ticket.
有人赢啊！哇，真的这么 lucky 啊！
Alright, let's
你还剩这么多
for this.
哇，才135块耶，这么少。
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, don't tear your ticket because later on we will verify your number.
哎，我看他的字。
Alright, just kindly continue and push down and fold your ticket. Can I have the next number? We have B8 Infinity 8. Single number 8. Next number, we have I29. 29. And to be followed by the next number, we have B number 2.
有下面。
Next number, we have 073. 7 and 3.
有。
Next number, we have B4.
哦，有
Single number 4. If you want to play the next bingo session, we have 8:30 session for this full house bingo game. To those valued guests at deck 7, you can grab your bingo ticket later on. Next number, we have B3, single number 3. And to be followed by the next number, we have N42. 42. Alright, let's go for the next number. We have G59. 5 and 9. 59. Next number, we have G49. 49.
Yes.
And to be followed by the next number, we have I30. How about I30? Next number, we have 074. 7 and 4. Push down and fold your ticket for the next number. We have G46. Under letter G is 46. Next number, we have, I need coffee right now. And 43. 4 and 3. 43. And to be followed by the next number, we have 067. 6 and 7. As you can see, we have already 40 calls, so I'll give you some moment to double check your ticket. Eyes on those numbers highlighted in yellow, please. 2 and 1. Maybe this number will be yours. Next number, we have 065. 6 and 5. 65. Next number we have B11.
Yes.
A set selects of your bingo selector this afternoon. Next number we have B1. Single number 1. My only one. Like.
要啦，
Yeah,
对，看谁先拿到完哦。
Next number we have I-27.
有，下面。
27. And to be followed by the next number, we have G48. 48. To our newly-comers here at the lobby, we have Full House Bingo Game. Take care of. You can grab your bingo ticket by 8:30 this evening. Next number, we have B9. B single number 9. Next number, we have I-25. I-2 and 5. Push down and fold your ticket for the next number. We have I-22. 2 ducks in a row. Next number, we have I-21. And 21. Next number, we have for Gentleman's Gala. We only have general seats for 50 Singapore dollars only. So make sure you grab your reservation for our Gentleman's Gala this evening at 10:30 at the Silk Road, Deck 6. Next number, we have O70. 70. And to be followed by the next number, we have G52. 5 and 2. 52. No bingo? Don't forget to shout as loud and proud as you can. Next number, we have N36. 3 and 6. 36. To be followed by the next number, we have I-16.
这个是没有加辣的。
Alright. Next number, we have O68. 6 and 8. 68. And next number, we have G51. 51. If you want to grab your ticket, one ticket for 24 Singapore dollars. If you grab 3 or more, that will be 80 Singapore dollars each. Next number, we have O72. 7 and 2. Next number, we have N33. Double number 3 this afternoon. No bingo. Next number, we have G60. 60. And to be followed by the next number, we have N34.
你要到最后这个哦，还有一个机会。
Alright, 60 calls. I will give you once again a moment to double one fee for only 30 Singapore dollars. And
如果
one.
接下来四个啊，有
Next
你赢的好，
number, we
来。
have B6 single number
呀
6. Alright, drum roll. Maybe you
好
have
紧张啊，有
how
点
many
紧张啊。
numbers you guys are winning? 3 tickets. Alright. People from the Philippines, India,
这叫最后一个了嘞，他们最后一个了。
5 tickets, 5 numbers. They have a lot of tickets on the table. Alright. Godwin, can I have the lucky number? B13.
还是没有啊，完蛋了。
Why not? 13 is a lucky number. Next number, we have B
还是没有啊，
single
完
number
蛋了。
7.
Yes.
你的最上，你的上就有两个嘞，哎，14
Favorite
个。
number. Next number, we have
哦，
B10.
你还是没有啊，有15，这就3个了。
Number 10.
我可以来了，快了，我。
And to be followed by the next number, we have I-23. Michael Jordan's number.
就2个了了。
There you go.
差12分
Not
54
yet. Still on the game. Next number, we have
哎呦，
N37. 3 and 7. 37. Not yet. Still on the game. Next number.
不要再赢了，
4. Go number
不要再赢
4.
了，那个等一个了。
Alright. The competition is really high right now. Next number we have. No? You don't like to push the bingo machine. Alright, bye. Next number we have. And a 32. Alright, we have a bingo winning plane. For our players, you still have time. I will give you time to double check your ticket.
135块。
So I'm gonna have my partner here to verify your bingo ticket. Ladies and gentlemen, double check your ticket because later on we will have the 3 house call. Okay, let's start the letter B. Okay, number 5.
没有，
B, number 12.
没有，他是签好的，他签好的。
I-17. Don't hesitate to grab at our bags office counter. Once again, to my players,
130多块不值得嘞。
Indulging in dinner at the international buffet on board the cruise is an experience that promises to delight your taste buds and satisfy your appetite in the most extraordinary way. Picture entering the expansive dining hall, where the air is infused with tantalizing aromas from around the world. The buffet is a culinary playground, featuring a vast array of dishes spanning various cuisines, from Asian delights to European classics, American favorites, and more. As you make your way through the buffet line, your senses are treated to a feast of colors, textures, and flavors. Fresh salads, succulent meats, flavorful seafood, aromatic spices, and decadent desserts beckon to be sampled. One of the joys of dining at an international buffet is the freedom to customize your meal to suit your preferences. Whether you're craving sushi and sashimi, craving a juicy steak, or yearning for a taste of Mediterranean cuisine, the buffet offers something to satisfy every craving. Moreover, dining at the international buffet is a social experience, allowing you to gather with friends, family, and fellow passengers to enjoy a shared meal and exchange stories of your adventures on the cruise. The convivial atmosphere adds an extra layer of enjoyment to the dining experience, making it more than just a meal but a memorable moment to cherish.
不错，等一下我要吃蛋糕。
Watching the sunset on the cruise is an experience of unparalleled beauty and serenity that captivates passengers time and time again. Imagine stepping out onto the deck as the sun begins its descent towards the horizon. The sky is painted in hues of orange, pink, and gold, casting a warm glow over the tranquil waters below. The air is still, and there's a sense of calmness that envelopes you as you find the perfect spot to witness nature's masterpiece. If you enjoyed today's video and found the content helpful and engaging, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and be part of our growing community of viewers.